Solve for y in terms of x, so I want to subtract an x from both sides, subtract a 2 from both sides. That's the only additional step that comes into play aside from actually having to create the graph yourself. Negative x minus 2 has a slope of -1, a y-intercept of -2. So -1 as the slope, that's great. That could be translated to -1 over +1 or 1 over -1. But the y-intercept is where we want to start our graph. That's 2 units below the x-axis. All right. So my slope, if I go with the first fraction, that's down 1, right 1. All right. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, and so on. All right. If I go with the other one, that's up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, up 1. It still follows the same trend, so we're in good shape. All right. This is a greater than or equal to symbol. Greater than or equal to symbols, less than or equal, or just plain old equal, they all get solid lines. All right. So they all get solid lines. The only ones that don't get solid lines are the less than or greater than symbols. Now it's just a matter of shading. Shading above or below. I think it's pretty clear. You have two possibilities. Which one is going to be above or below? All right, this one is saying shade above. I think it's pretty clear that this one is the above. But if you're not sure, you go to Desmos. Now, when we get closer to the regions, we'll have to make an adjustment there. All right, this is not going to look pretty, but I want to just get it done. But putting it into Desmos is not going to be too bad. You could even put in the original equation, inequality, sorry. X plus y plus 2. That's if you really, really want to check your work. Put in the original and make sure that it not only shades correctly, but it also gives you the correct graph. You could check your intercepts. Make sure it crosses at these 2 points. If it does, then you've created the appropriate graph. And that's all there is to it. All right.